Alright, so to solve them algebraically, you plug them in equal to each other. Solve the equation like we've been doing for months now. You get x equals 3, so that means the x value would be 3. Plug in the 3 into one of the equations, doesn't matter which one, and then you can find the y value. So there's the point where those two lines are going to intersect. Now to graph them, you just do the y-intercept, -10. Your slope is 2, so you go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And on this one, the y-intercept's at 8, and slope is -4. Go down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, down 4 over 1. Solving the equations here. Distribute. Combine the like terms. Add 80 over, divide, and you get your -39. Combine like terms. Subtract 4 from each side. Subtract 12 from each side. And you get x equals -6. Combine like terms. Subtract 3x. The x's disappear. So if the x's disappear and there's nothing that's true, this is false, so therefore there's no solution. It'll never work. There's no answer that works for that one. Combine like terms, combine like terms. Subtract 5x from each side. You get -12 equals -12. That means it works every single time. So all numbers work. Plugged in -2 for each x here. Square it, that's 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative times negative makes that a positive. 20 minus 3 is 17. On this graph, y equals -3. And I just leave a blank for the x. Plug in 0. 0 times that, 0 minus 6 is -6. Plug in 1. 1 times -3 is -3. Minus 6 is -9. Plug in -1. Negative times a negative is a positive. Gives you a +3. Minus 6 is -3. And then you just plot the points. 0, -6, dot. -1, -3, dot. -2, 0, dot. It's a parabola because it has an x squared in it. So I plug in all the little x's. If I plug in 0 and 0, 0 squared is 0. 0 times -3 is 0. -4. So there's that point. Plug in 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 times -3 is -3. So it's 1 minus 3 minus 4 is -6. So it's 1, -6. Just keep doing that to all the points. I did it till I saw there would be a vertex. So the vertex would be in between these two guys down below. Slope. Make sure you don't put the x there because it's just the number that's in front of the x. And remember, the y-intercept's a point. 0, -6. So 0, -6, go up 5 over 4. Up 5 over 4. Up 5 over 4. So then on this one, the y-intercept's at 0, 1, 0, 1, dot. Slope is -1. Remember, there's just a 1 in front of there. So it's down 1 over 1, down 1 over 1. Or you can go up 1, back 1. So that's positive, negative, positive, negative. Y-intercept's at -5. And the slope is 3. Go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. Y-intercept 0 starts off at 0. It's going downhill, so it's negative. 1 and over 4, so that's 1/4. Rise over the run. 1/4 x, -1/4 x. And the last one, similar to the first one we did, put them equal to each other because I'm finding out where they're both the same. Solve it, subtract, add that over. You get x equals 3, plug it back into one of them. 4 times 4, or excuse me, 3 times 4 is 12 minus 8 is 4. So when I graph both lines, they should intersect at 3, 4. Y-intercept's at -8, Slope is up 4 over 1, up 4 over 1. Y-intercept's -2, and the slope is 2. Go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. They hit right there. That's the 3/4. Same both ways. All right. Make sure you check everything on yours. See you tomorrow.